Good morning, everyone. My name is Akshat Gupta from GLE University. In this presentation, we will exploring the world of robo-advisor and automated investing. Today, we will cover what is robo-advisor, how robo-advisor work, key features, drawbacks, asset allocation, and portfolio rebalancing. Robo-advisor versus traditional financial advisor, factor to consider when choosing robo-advisor, fees and cost associated with automated investing, the future of automated investing, understanding robo-advisor technology. Robo-advisor are digital platform that rely on advanced algorithm and minimal human intervention to offer financial planning and investment services. Automated investing. Robo-advisor primarily offer automated portfolio management. This involves creating and managing a portfolio management that aligns with an investor risk tolerance and financial goals. For instance, robo-advisor invest in a mix of stock, bonds, real estate offered through low-cost EFTs, etc. Hybrid advice. Hybrid platform blends robo-advising with human support. This model ideal for investor who wants the convenience and the low cost of automation but occasionally need to speak with human advisor. Hybrid services are increasingly popular as they cater to a broader range of client and needs. Specialized solution. Some robo-advisors are tailored for investors with specific goals like sustainable investing, which aligns investment and environmental, social, and government criteria. This allows investors to build portfolio to and that invest their value without sacrificing performance. Financial planning. In addition to investment, some robo-advisors offer broader financial planning, helping users to for plan tax efficiency or education saving. These platforms use similar algorithm to automate and customize these financial plans. How robo-advisor work? First, risk assessment. The first step with any robo-advisor is understanding the investor complete a questionnaire covering financial goal with time horizon and risk tolerance. For example, a young investor with a high risk tolerance may prefer a growth oriented portfolio, while an investor nearing retirement might prioritize stability and capital prevention. Second, port- portfolio allocation. Based on profile, the robo-advisor algorithm allocate the investor's fund across different assets. It uses low-cost ETFs and index fund to create a diversified portfolio. This this helps spread risk and align the client goals, balancing growth potential with safety. Third one, automated management. Robo-advisor then manages his portfolio over time. It includes automatic rebalancing where the robo advisor adjusts the portfolio to maintain the original assets allocation at risk level as market values shift. Se- The key features of robo-advisor and advisor platform. First one, low cost. One of the most attractive features of robo-advisor is their cost efficiency. Because they are automated and require less human involvement, robo-advisors have lower fees than traditional advisors, this making them accessible to individuals who might not otherwise afford financial planning services. Diversification. Robo-advisor ensure portfolio are diversified, which means that the investment are spread across the different types of assets, reducing overall risk. Objectivity. Algorithm makes investment decision purely based on data and as per the investor, which can avoid bias and emotional decision making that sometimes affect human advisors. Accessibility. Robo-advisors are accessible to anyone with an internet connection, allowing users to open account with no or low minimum investment amount. Next one, drawbacks of robo-advisor. First one, limited customizations. Robo-advisor may not offer the same level of customization as financial planning. A major limitation is that robo-advisors typically offer standardized investment portfolio which may not meet the specific need of all investors. High net worth individual or those with complex financial growth situations might find robo-advisor lacking in personalized advice. Lack of human interaction with human advisors, robo platforms lack the ability to offer nuanced advice during complex life changes or volatile market. Reliance on algorithm. Since robo-advisors operate based on algorithm, they can be vulnerable to errors in data or bias within the algorithm themselves. For example, if an algorithm is not properly tuned to market condition, it could lead to suboptimal investment decisions. Asset allocation and portfolio rebalancing. Asset allocation. Robo-advisor use sophisticated algorithms to define the best asset allocation mix based on investor portfolio. This may include balancing stock, bonds, and other asset classes in ratio that reflect the investor risk tolerance. Portfolio rebalancing. To maintain alignment with investor risk tolerance, robo-advisor automatically rebalance portfolio. For example, if stock grow faster than bonds and begin to dominate the portfolio, the robo-advisor we will rebalance the selling some stock and buying more bond to realign the target allocation. Automated investment and adjustment. Beyond rebalancing, robo-advisor make automatic adjustment as conditions change. This adaptability ensures the portfolio remains aligned with both the market condition and the investor evolving circumstances. Robo-advisor versus traditional financial services. Robo-advisor offers an automated data-driven approach to investing. They usually more transparent and cost-effective, making them ideal for the who want to manage investment independently without high fees. However, lack of personal touch of a human advisor. Traditional advisor offers personalized financial advice tailored to individual circumstances. They are essential for complex financial needs or clients seeking a hand-on approach to financial planning. Although more expensive, traditional advice can provide reassurance and in-depth analysis. Robo-advisor suite clients looking for cost-effective, straightforward guidance, while traditional advisors are best for those with specific high-touch needs. Factor to consider when choosing a robo-advisor. First, fees and cost. Under different robo-advisors charges varying fees. It's crucial to examine both management fees and account minimums as these impact overall investment return, especially for smaller portfolios. Second one, investment strategies. Each robo-advisor has its own investment philosophy, ranging from aggressive growth to conservative strategies. Evaluating these approaches is important to ensure alignment with your financial goals. Customer service. Some robo-advisor provided human customer support, while others rely solely on automated help. Choosing a robo-advisor with the level of support you are comfortable with it. Important, especially if you may want to discuss issue or make adjustment. Fees and cost automated investing. First one, management fees. Robo-advisors have lower management fees than traditional advisors or human advisors, often around 0.25% or 2.5% of assets. This reduction in fees enables investors to retain more of their return, which is particularly advantageous for over long investment horizon. Second one, fund expenses. Most robo-advisors use low-cost index funds, further reducing cost. These funds are passively managed and track market indices, helping investors save on expenses compared to actively managed funds. Third one, accessibility. With low or no account minimums, robo-advisors make it possible for anyone to start investing, making professional investment management accessible to more people, including young investors or those with smaller portfolios. Fourth one, transparency. Many platforms clearly disclose all fees, allowing investors to understand exactly what they are repaying for and make informed choice about which platform to use. Future of automated investing. AI powered investing. Artificial intelligence and machine learning will allow robo-advisors to make increasing, increasingly complex decisions and adapt to market shift in real time. This will make them even more sophisticated and capable of handling diverse investment needs. Second, personalization. AI will also greater personalization so advisor or robo-advisor can cater to unique investor profiles, creating tailored strategy that aligns more closely with individuals' needs, values, and goals. Third one, integrated platform. The future of automated investing will see more integration with other financial services like budgeting tools and debt management, tax planning. The integration will create a unified financial experience for users, bringing convenience and ease. Fourth one, increased accessibility. As robo-advisors evolve, they will likely continue lowering barrier to entry, democratizing investment management further by enabling people from all backgrounds to participate in professional investing. Thanks for watching my video. If you are any queries, please let me know in comment section and please like and subscribe my video.